Perched on the rugged coastline of Théoule-sur-mer, just a stone's throw from the Glitz of Cannes, this waterfront villa is less of a residence and more of a private sanctuary where the architecture bows respectfully to the Mediterranean. The design philosophy here is clear. Blur the lines between interior and exterior until you're not sure if you're living in a villa or floating on the sea. The main structure embraces a fluid layout, anchored by a double living room that flows seamlessly into an expansive eat-in kitchen. While the indoors are refined, the true protagonist is the material palette. Teak terraces, stone, and glass that grounds the property in its environment. Lifestyle here is refreshingly unapologetic. With 4 private points of access to the water and a dedicated pontoon, the sea isn't a view, it's your morning commute. The outdoor program is equally ambitious, featuring a tropical-style pool area with a heated infinity pool and a fully equipped pool house. It's the kind of setup that makes you wonder why you ever lived anywhere else, especially when you're oscillating between the jacuzzi and your private sandy beach. Accommodation is thoughtfully tiered, with suites on the lower level offering independent sea access, perfect for guests who value their privacy as much as their proximity to the water. Whether you are hosting a grand alfresco dinner on the patio or hiding away in the master suite, the villa captures the elusive Côte d'Azur magic without trying too hard. It's sophisticated, slightly irreverent, and utterly captivating.